Welcome to Hart Plaza in beautiful downtown Detroit, Michigan. Next week, over 300,000 football fans are expected to gather here for the 2024 NFL Draft. Since 1936, NFL teams have come together for this annual event where they select the best players coming out of the college game to join their rosters. The draft is held in a different city each year, and in 2017, the league started hosting a free outdoor festival in conjunction with the draft, allowing fans to enjoy food, music, games, and more. The 2024 NFL Draft begins Thursday, April 25th and runs through Saturday, April 27th. Hart Plaza will be at the heart of the fan-focused festivities, and it was where GPRS project manager Cory Ertle was asked to conduct utility locating services. Dozens of tents and other temporary structures are being erected around the plaza, and every pole that goes in the ground to support these structures has the potential to sever a buried utility line.
Anytime somebody comes in and takes a lease of a space, they want to leave it how they found it. And I think the NFL's intention was to come in here, utilize the space, and not damage any of the infrastructure. You know, they want to prevent any type of injury to individuals that are driving the stakes in. We don't want to hit a 480 line while driving a stake. That can send somebody to the hospital very easily.
To prevent this from happening, Cory used ground-penetrating radar and electromagnetic locating to verify the location of all buried infrastructure in the plaza.
And that's why the multiple forms of technology.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, redundancies help us achieve, the same rate that we have. The reason we're so accurate is because we don't rely on one technology.
He then marked those findings directly on the ground so that the workers that will be placing the tent spikes know where they can and can't safely break ground. While Hart Plaza is owned by the city of Detroit, it's surrounded by privately owned properties. This means that the plaza's underground infrastructure is a mix of public and privately owned utilities, adding a level of complexity to the job of locating and mapping all these lines.
This is owned by Ford, which means it has to be coming from their building. This is all city property.
Fortunately, Cory, like all of GPRS's project managers, is certified in subsurface investigation methodology, the industry-leading training program and specification for conducting a utility locate. This training prepared him to locate and map the plaza's infrastructure with unmatched precision.
We're more complete because we have more technology, but because of our training, we're able to explain to each client how we located things, where they are, how deep they are, what our limitations were, so they have a better understanding of what our capabilities are. They're left with a feeling of, satisfaction that we did our job and we did it well.
To create a permanent record of his findings, Cory used the GNSS geode to geolocate the data and then uploaded it into SiteMap, GPRS's cloud-based infrastructure mapping software solution that provides accurate existing condition documentation to protect assets and people.
One of the things that sets us apart from other locating companies is our groundbreaking GIS platform, SiteMap. So everything we mark on site, we catalog with the GPS here on site, and then we upload it to our cloud server for our client to be able to access anytime, anywhere. With different services come different abilities, but generally speaking, every client has the ability to historically look at any job we've done for them, to go through, pull up all the markings. It's all overlaid with the most current satellite data that we have available to us, to really give them a good, bird's eye view of everything that we've done for them. A big rain comes through and washes everything away. Well, they can come, pull it up, look at the GPS coordinates, and say, hey, this is where that line is. We need to avoid it.
With SiteMap, the NFL and its partners can securely access the infrastructure data Cory collected 24/7 from any computer, tablet, or mobile device, so they have what they need to mitigate damage as they prepare for the draft. It takes an army of workers to bring an event like this to life. GPRS is proud to do our part to keep this project on time, on budget, and safe.